Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to play YouTube background play in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video. First you have to open your YouTube and click on U button and then click on this. So as you can see here it is, you can click on search also and write here YouTube Premium. And friends, as you can see, just click on that and here it is the YouTube Premium. It gives more about, you can get ad free, so you can immerse yourself on your favorite videos without interruption. You can download free, you can download videos offline, and you of course you get background play, and you can stream all the music by purchasing this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.